Please don't wake me from this.
What's up, legends? LDG Alden here. Today I'm back with episode 18 of my Game Maker Studios top-down game tutorials. Last time we worked on making a very basic CPU player that could follow the player around if you were in a distance of him, and if you got close to an enemy, he would shoot at him. And then today what we're actually going to do is we're going to upgrade him. We're going to make him a little smarter, a little more realistic, so he doesn't, like last time he couldn't collide with walls, so he could just go straight through them. And we're going to make it so that he has ammo. So he reloads. We'll have it, he has unlimited ammo. We'll make it that way, but he has to reload after every 10 bullets. So it'll kind of be like how the player has to reload, except he'll do it automatically, but it will be a time-based thing. So he can't just rapidly fire. He'll rapidly fire 10 shots and then stop shooting for like a couple seconds, and then he'll shoot again. So basically make him a little more realistic. So to start this off, we're probably going to have to use the similar enemy GUI, or the enemy like AI. So like the ones that it uses to avoid seeing any of the, or avoid getting around walls and everything like that, and finding the fastest route. Because in all ends, this is technically the same thing as the player, like following the player, so that's kind of what we're going to use. So we're going to take the step event from there, and we're also going to put that into the step event here. So we can actually replace this, because we do not need, yeah, we'll be fine with that. And then I believe we need to put something in the create event, if I'm not mistaken. Path add, and then that, okay. So we can put that into this create event. And then, what else do we have that was part of it? Was there a script? No, that was not. I feel like bouncing against solid objects. No, I feel like we had more code to it. Oh, we need these two. Okay. Well, I think that might actually be all we need, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know that for sure. We're going to try it, and we'll see what happens. So now it'll only follow, and it'll find the fastest route to follow with avoiding walls. I think. Unless I need to add collision, I think. But we'll try it. We'll see what happens first. Because we might have to actually make it so he collides with walls, because I don't think I ever set that up yet. So let this run, play. Where was this? Oh, right there. Oh, he gets stuck. That's probably because he doesn't know to collide with walls, maybe? And he doesn't think that that works. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. He does kind of avoid the walls, though. Let's look at what the player has. So the enemy, does the enemy collide with objects? I don't think the enemy does, though. Bounce against solid objects. Let's try it, see if that works, if that'll fix it up. So that's in the step event. So put that in there. That should be fine. And then this should probably make it work. I don't know what else it could do, because I don't think anything is taken in consideration differently. So like how the enemies are, oh hey, this is the fastest route, I'm going to take it and then I'm going to come in. Except, see, that's what I'm wondering now. Is can anything make it through doors? Apparently not. Oh, well that's not a good sign. I really don't know why that would be. That's interesting, guys. So I guess we'll probably have to look into that. So that means this probably does work. Just the same as the enemies do. See, he just shoots at him now. Okay. And he'll probably take this one down. Yeah, he will. Okay. So that is weird. We'll probably have to look into that another episode, because I don't know if I can fix that right on the fly. I'll have to look into how to fix that, because I did not expect that to be an error. And it probably has to do with like the sprite and other things, and the size of the area they're trying to go through. So we'll have to look into that maybe next episode, hopefully. So for now, though, what we're going to do is we'll make it so he has ammo, so he can't shoot forever. So the way we're going to have to start this off, we'll do a create event, and we will create a variable ammo equals, what's it called? We'll start at just 10, like the normal player. Fire rate is 12, damage 1, count 0, So what do we, let's see, what do we use the actual clock for? So the actual clock is used to check if he can shoot. So that's if the distance is too far. So we could also use that to our advantage too. So we could do ammo is equal to 10. Okay. And then reset, or no, we'll do ammo full equals 10 too. So that's the ammo he'll have when he reloads. And then you could also, so then you can change the starting ammo, and then you could change how much he has when he's full ammo. So, okay, so to start this off, we're going to go back into the step event, I believe. And then we will do, so every time he shoots, so instance create that, then we will do ammo minus equal 1, or ammo minus quicker. So now it'll -1 from the ammo, and then can shoot is false, and then it'll do that again. Oh, so we do need another thing for this. So what we're gonna do is we'll have count 2 equal to 0, and then we'll do what do we want to do this for? We also need another variable here, so we'll do reload time equals, so 12 is how fast he shoots, so we're probably gonna need something closer to 30, and then that'll go into consideration for can shoot. So where do we need this? So ammo minus. So here's what we're gonna do. How do I want to do this? I'm trying to think of the smartest way to go about this. So can shoot, so we have can shoot, and we have this, all those. So can shoot and distance to object. So that's if he's close, he'll shoot, and he'll -1 bullet, but then he'll have to wait the fire rate. But then also, so we'll need and, no, because can shoot could be taken into consideration for that. Well, okay, actually no, because what we're gonna need and we're gonna do ammo greater than or equal to, or no, just greater than 0. So now if the ammo is greater than 0, it'll still fire. But then we need another if statement. If ammo is less than or equal to 0, then it will do a little bit of another thing. So we'll do count 2 plus, and then we have to do if count 2 is greater than or equal to reload time, and then it will have to do, what are we doing? Count 2 equals 0, and then we need and then we need ammo equals ammo full. Okay, so that should actually work. We'll try this out. We'll see. So now it'll basically have another parameter saying whether you can or not. So let's go out here, and we'll put him up against another enemy. So let's count the shots he takes when he gets near him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a little bit, and then go again. I think the interval should be a little more, though, so we're going to change that. We'll make reload time 40. No, let's make it 60. Double it so it's a little bit longer, because just to make it a little more realistic, I think that would work the best. So that should, let's try it out. Let's make sure that works. I really need to figure out that door go, guys. I don't know why they wouldn't be able to walk through the door. I guess I should have tried that out last episode, or when we made the actual doors for real, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. I just never noticed that. Okay, so let him shoot 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is he only shooting 4 bullets? Oh, because he's getting too far from them, I think. So then he shoots them all, and then he has to wait a little bit, and then he goes again. Okay, so that works good. Yeah, so that's pretty good then. Okay, so now we have all that done. I think that's all we're going to do this episode. Next episode, guys, we will work on the door, fixing it. Whether it's a big thing, whether it takes up a good amount of the video, probably won't. It'll probably be a quick fix. I'll just show you guys the code for it, so then we can get on to a whole new thing. But that's probably all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys learned anything, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We really appreciate when you guys do. And anything that went wrong, anything that didn't work out, any issues, anything wrong with the CPU, all that stuff, comment it, guys. I'll do my best to help you. I'll look at all your comments, give everything I got for you guys. But thanks, guys, for watching. Remember to be a legend, and I will see you guys next time.